Hello everyone, how are you? How is it going? I hope you're fine and everything is good. So today we are going to speak about again past tense intransitive verbs, but we will discuss negative forms of this verb. I mean, when we want to say, for example, I didn't go, I didn't see, or I didn't die, blah blah blah. So if you remember, we said in Kurmanji, if you have intransitive verbs in the past, you have to use personal pronouns, direct personal pronouns, like as, to, أو, هن, أو. If I want to say, for example, I went, you went, he, she, it went, we will say as chum, to chui, chun, hun, أو, chun, right? Yes. And if I want to say I didn't go, you didn't go, he, she, it didn't go, it will be as nechum, to nechuyi, أو nechu, hun, أو nechun. Look at this. Here in the past, our prefix for negative forms, it will be ne. It was na in the present, but it is ne in the past. So it will be as nechum, to nechui, أو nechu, hun, أو nechun. Okay. For example, let's take another verb. Let's say we said kanin, which means to smile. If you want to say I didn't smile, it will be as. Let's first affirmative forms. It will be as kanim, to kani, أو kani, hun, أو kanin. Right. If you want to say in negative forms, it will be as nekanim, to nekani, أو nekani, nekanin, hun nekanin, أو nekanin. Be careful about these ne. It should be written always together with verbs, like as nechum, to nechuyi, أو nechu, or as nekanim, to nekani, أو nekani, always together, not like in English. In English you can write separately this not, but in Kurmanji, in the verbs, no, it will be together. For example, let's take another verb. It will be new for you. For example, we have shiarbun. It means wake up. If you want to say like I woke up in the past, it will be I woke up, you woke up, he, she woke up. It will be as shiarbum, to shiarbui, أو shiarbu, hun, أو shiarbun, right? If you want to make it negative, it will be as shiarnebum, to shiarnebui, أو shiarnebu, hun, أو shiarnebun. For example, let's make a long sentence. Do as shiarnebum, u nechum zangehe. Again, as do shiarnebum, u nechum zangehe. It means yesterday I didn't wake up and I didn't go to university. Look here, shiarbun and chuin, our verbs, and they are intransitive. That's why we said as. If it was transitive, it would be another pronoun. It would be oblique. Yes, but here, because they are intransitive, we have to use our direct pronouns as nechum, as shiarnebum, as nekanim, and etc. And in Kurmanji, if you want to make a question from this tense, it is really easy, because you didn't have to change your syntax or your sentence. Just with your intonation, you will have a question. For example, to chui, it means you went to chui, right? To chui. But if you say to chui, it will be did you go? Anji chu. Did he, she, it go? chu. Anji hun chun. Did you go? You plural. Hun chun. It will be just with an intonation. Just be careful about this. And let's take another verb. For example, this shiarbun, which means wake up. So if you want to say did you wake up, you will say تو شیار بوی او شیار بو ام شیار بون هون شیار بون او شیار بون. Just with your intonation, I mean, and you will put just question mark, and that's all. It is really easy to use these intransitive verbs with in the past. Just you will use your direct pronouns as to أو أم هن أو, and you will put your verb with personal endings. I mean, you know what to add, and that's all. And if you want to make a negative form of this sentence, it will be just ne, as nechum to nechu أو nechu, just ne. But be careful, it is not na, it is ne. Na was in the present tense, but in the past it will be ne. For example, let's compare past and present. For example, in the past and in the present it will be in the past it will be as chum, in the present as dichum, to chui, to dichi, au chu, au diche, am chun, au dichin, hun chun, hun dichin, au chun, au dichin. Right, it is just and if you want to make them negative form, let's compare negative form as well. For example, if you want to say I didn't go, or and I don't go, or I'm not going, as nechum, as nachum, to nechui, to nachi, au nechu, au nache, am nechun, am nachen, hun nechun, hun nachen, au nechun, au nachen. Look, we have a comparing of past tense and present tense with chuyin. You can check these conjugations and just make some comparings with it. It will be easier for you to understand the rules. So I will add some exercises for you to the end of this video, and you will try to like answer them. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope next week I will make a video from Midyat. Yes, I'm going to go Kurdistan. I'm very happy. So I will make video from there, and you will have a chance to see around Midyat. I will show you around. It will be very nice. So thank you so much. Bye bye.